Would you like to know what is the biggest secret of succeeding in spiritual, anything that you're doing spiritually? You are opening your chakras, you're trying to awaken your kundalini, you're progressing with your kundalini, or you want to go deeper into your meditations. So what is the secret that allows you to progress really well? It allows you to progress very speedily. Hi, I am Preeti, and today we are going to check the biggest secret that allows you to proceed, it allows you to progress on your spiritual path. I know that a lot of people, they actually get stuck while trying to open your chakras, kundalini, going deeper into meditations, and then sometimes you have nowhere to go. So in this video we are going to check out a few secrets. Try to make sure that you watch this video very minutely, okay? Because if you are making any of these mistakes, the content of the video will just go over the head. So try to watch it and re-watch it, okay? Stay tuned. The first mistake that usually people make is they want to gain a lot of powers so that the people who actually did something bad towards them, they can punish them. They want powers so that they can punish them, they can actually show off, or they can show how powerful they are so that these people get scared. See, first of all, spiritual progress is not for all of that. If people did something bad towards you, all of that, it acted as a propelling force for you to progress more and more on the spiritual path. So you are not supposed to keep that goal in mind. The best goal to keep in mind is you will want to overcome your weaknesses, so that as you progress spiritually, you will be able to overcome your weaknesses, which is actually a very good goal, a very good goal, a very good point, destination point that you have to keep. Also, there is no perfection. You can always keep on improving yourself on the spiritual path. There is nothing wrong in that, right? Sometimes people also have this notion in their mind that they will become powerful than somebody. Okay, so if somebody actually insulted you, they actually did something bad with you, they cheated you. I'm not saying that bad might not have happened with you. Somebody may have done some very shitty stuff against you, but you just don't get into spirituality so that you can make yourself superior than those people. Once you actually progress on your spiritual path, once you reach a certain level in spirituality, you will actually realize that there is no higher place, no lower place. It's everybody is equal, and you are doing all that hard work to realize that level. Okay? So until you have not realized that level, you will always feel that you will become something superior and others will become something inferior than you, just because you are progressing on your spiritual path. It's nothing like that. The moment you see equality in all humans, in all plants and animals, that is where you will start, that is where you can actually know that your spiritual level has come to a good level. Okay? One more thing is, a lot of times people feel that just because they have experienced a lot of hardships, just because they have a lot of people have taken advantage of them, they have the right to go higher, and the people who have taken advantage of them, who have ill-treated them, they are destined to stay lower. Okay? And if you wish that they should not be able to progress, only you should be able to progress, then also you are going to block your progress. You're not going to make your spiritual progress smoother. Okay, so see, these are the three biggest errors that people usually think about. People usually feel that this is how things should happen, but that's not how things work. So you need to try to note down all of this and try to save this video, because again in future, when you feel that you have, your spiritual progress is blocking, come back to this video and see what is it that you are doing. These are the three biggest things that actually block your spiritual progress. Okay, so yes, so this is the video for you. I hope that you have liked it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share this video, okay, with all the spiritual enthusiasts. Try to share this video, because most of the people, maximum people, 80 to 90% of people, they are actually blocking their progress just because of this stuff that I discussed in this video. Okay, make sure that you share this video with them. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this video? And yes, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.